Okay.
Let's take a walk this way,
I fixed
guys.
Ice's pistol. Now you can test.
Huzzah.
This test is big as swimmers too.
Okay, let's go. Let's walk, guys. Did you guys find tools and stuff like this?
Nice.
You guys want to go farther out because we're like immediately. You guys go farther out. Okay, really? Oh, no, we don't have time for ice cream. That was in my first thought too. It's like he's right. Wait, listen.
You show up you wait yourself. I'll be there in a second. You show up first and I'm trying to just stare at him.
Yeah, right? It's like we are like presentation.
Well, we look at it this way. The video has some background music now.
Yeah.
I do not.
I have a couple BuzzFeed darts.
Let's
Yeah.
cover the van.
Are you guys ready? Give us your ice cream.
Hear it now. Slap. Slap.
Give us your ice cream, or this could really sting.
Guys, come on,
Run
go.
away.
Walk.
Called walking for a reason. Tell us when you're ready. Yeah. Ready? Go! 3, 2, 1,
Oh, what the fuck, man?
Wait, you got shot already?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, that's what I said. What the fuck?
Guys, I got 3 guys over here.
Oh, good. Down. There.
Guys, I got 4 guys over here now.
Good, you can add now.
Up.
You guys are all hiding behind one tree. There's something wrong with that.
Look at it rush.
Miss.
Oh, dang it. Woo!
I already got hit, dude.
One, two, three.
Ah, vacuum load.
Shit, what do I do?
Hey, I'm not a meat shield. Cloudy behind you.
The only way I can shoot. It's the only way it'll shoot. It will not shoot single.
You out, Connie?
No, I'm waiting to see if he's coming this way so I don't get clear and I'll get whacked.
Look out. You got a jolt. Oh, cool. RT is like closing in.
Filmception. Oh god.
Oh, they're so close.
Hydra, hold on. He got friendly fire. I just wanted to tell him.
Hydro! You still there, guys?
I'm out because Poptachi sabotaged me.
That's right. Pay attention.
That's how we roll. He's like, hey, I'm your shoulder kid.
You just gotta run, man. You just gotta run.
I'm gonna shoulder DX then.
Rule 1. What?
Roll down your foot.
Wait, Cameron, you know what I just
DX, you did take a hit.
It's the opposite team a bit.
I know.
I didn't realize that.
I didn't realize that until.
What the hell is that?
I was expecting you to win.
Oi!
Yeah, I was expecting it to rain, so I got a 1-2 corner.
And I think the round's over.